Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Dr. Nashirin Farzila binti Maila. Okay, today I would like to present about an assignment which titled Applications of Power Electronics Devices or Converters in Modern Appliances. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Izzah Hidayah binti Abdul Aziz and my metric number is 183354. Okay, so my is mixer cooking machine. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first of all, introduction about mixer cooking machine. So, power electronic converters have contributed much in many modern appliances such as mixer cooking machine. And there are various types of converters such as rectifier, inverter, chopper, cyclo converter. So this mixer cooking machine applies rectifier circuit in its system, which it converts an AC signal to DC signal. Alright, so what does this cooking machine contribute to my life? Okay, so I'm gonna present about the contribution of this machine to my life. Alright, for this cooking mixer, first of all, this cooking mixer have foster bonds between family members, between my family members, because since childhood, we are our family are very passionate in making making a dough and making pastries by ourselves instead of buying in the stalls. So by having cooking mixer, it makes us more excited to do just like curry puff, donut, and it excites us to do this, to use this cooking mixer. And next, this cooking mixer helps us, the family, help us a lot in generating income, because there was one time when I was a child, when I was in a secondary school, our family have encountered a monetary constraint, and by having this cooking mixer, we bake a chocolate cake to be sold to schools and to many stalls so that we can generate income to support our life. So by having this cooking mixer, it has saves our time and energy a lot. And then for the third one, cooking mixer is very crucial for business startups, for an electrical engineering student just like me, as I am a degree student of electrical engineering. It gives me an idea to start a business in pastry making. So by having knowledge in electrical engineering, I can start up a business in bread factory so that I can have least attachment or dependencies on technicians when the machine in my factories encounter a problem. So by having cooking mixer, it's actually gives an opportunity to graduates to start a business. And lastly, cooking mixer has contributes a lot in speeding up the production of staple food. So as we know, most of us eat rice, but in majority of the countries, they eat bread or buns as their staple food. So since bread is a staple food for most countries, so we need to make it in a large amount and in a short time. So by having this cooking mixer, we have saved a lot of life. Okay, next, show the operation of mixer cooking machine. So let's watch this video.
Hi, welcome to another video of Italiana Food Tech. Today we're going to talk about our gold line spiral mixer. We have the first and second speed automatic, so as soon as the first speed finish kicking right away the second speed. We have the reverse ball controller selector and the manual speed selector, first speed and second speed. And then we have the emergency stop button and the start button. This is the interior of our spiral mixer, and now we're doing some pizza dough together.
Okay, next, rectifier circuit that was implemented in the mixer cooking machine.
Like this, it is firstly plus is here and negative is here. Of course, current wants to flow from positive to negative, and it can only flow through the anode of a diode to the cathode. So for this polarity, current choose this way. Now we change the polarity on the input and try to complete the current circuit again. And there it is. And did you notice that no matter how the polarity of the input is, the output current flows only one way? That is the whole trick. This way we turned our negative sine wave into a positive, and we can build more useful power supplies. Like this, it is.
Okay, so that's all for the video. Okay, next, what I can conclude from this presentation is that the development of rectifier is vital. It's very important as a fundamental circuit for a complex machine in order to convert an AC signal to DC signal. As we know, many appliances using 3-pin plug or 2-pin plug that have an AC as its inputs. So some of the motor needs a DC signal. So by having this rectifier, a motor can operate and does its function. And then appliances like food mixer implement this converter to convert AC signal to DC signal. Lastly, indirectly, actually without we realizing, the bread we ate are being prepared in a massive amount using the mixer cooking machine in the factory. So without this mixer cooking machine, actually maybe we can't even recognize what is bread, and we can't even have food that is based on wheat, which are the most needed class of food in for our body. So that's all from me, and I hope that everyone agree and doctor agree that mixer cooking machine has contributed much in our life. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.